men and women in Parliament of Uganda. Oh, we have seen your debate today. Oh, we have seen how you care about Ugandans. We have seen how you care about the country. We have seen how patriotic you are. Oh, Mr. Speaker, how did we reach here? Oh, Mr. Speaker, we have to practice our democracy. Oh, Mr. Speaker, we have to stop this violation. We have to keep our peace, which our president brought us. Oh, Mr. Speaker, thank you for giving us the chance to debate about this. The situation which is going on in Kawempe, the situation how security operatives, how security organs, how security people are killing Ugandans, how security people are torturing Ugandans, how security people are violating human rights in Uganda, how security people are killing Ugandans, how security people are doing injustice on Ugandans, but no one blamed, no one untouchable, no one is doing anything, no one is charged, no one is arrested, and you are in Parliament talking, debating, as if you are just talking about something, as if you are in a business meeting, as if you are in a meeting of a wedding, as if you are in what? Just talking with sorry faces, Tony words, Tony speeches, Tony what? As if you care about Ugandans, asking stupid questions. Mr. Speaker, how did we reach here? A gunman pointing on a woman. We have reached here because of you people, men and women in that house. We have reached here because of you men and women in that house. We have reached here because of you people. Ugandans are suffering. Ugandans are being killed by security operatives. Ugandans are being killed by policemen in uniform, by UPDF in uniform. Ugandans are being tortured. Ugandans are being kidnapped. People are losing their lives. People are being jailed. People are missing. People are kidnapped every day, every morning. Security operatives are violating human rights in Uganda, are violating lives of Ugandans in front of your eyes. People in that parliament, women and men in that house, you have disappointed Ugandans. You have betrayed Ugandans. You have betrayed the country, and you are here talking as if you care. I have seen a woman asking Speaker, how did we reach here? We have reached here because of you people, because you are greedy, because you are selfish, because you are corrupt, because you are not a patriotism, because you are not patriotics. You don't love your country. You are just working you are just working for one man. The lives of 45 million Ugandans are in hands of one man, are in mass of one hand, because you have removed the term limit in the constitution of Uganda. That was the one way to reach here. That was the beginning to reach here in this situation where Ugandans are going through. Then you removed the age limit in constitution of Uganda, and now you want to change. You are the same people condemning this brutality on Ugandans, and you are the same people where in Entebbe sitting, eating, drinking. You want to change the constitution to give that same men who are killing Ugandans on the streets of Kampala, to give them authority on lives of common people, on lives of citizens, on lives of civilians, to change the UPDF Act. And you are here asking, how did we reach here? Oh, Mr. Speaker, thank you for giving us a chance to debate about this. So it means to debate about Ugandan's life, to debate about the common people, to debate about the lives of common people. It is just a chance from the Speaker. Is that what you want to tell us? Oh, Mr. Speaker. Okay, Mr. Speaker. And Mr. Taiwa, hey, for us we can just talk. We cannot do anything. Wow. You have betrayed Ugandans, you people, especially NLM members of parliament. You have betrayed the country. You have betrayed Ugandans. And you are here talking as if you care so much. But you don't care. You are the people who disappointed Ugandans, who sold the Ugandans, who put our country in this state, who put the lives of Ugandans on risk by changing the constitution every day. And now you want to change the constitution to give General Museveni the rights to take civilians in general court martial. And you are here talking, you want to give the military the authority on civilians. And you are here talking, why? Security operatives, we have to enjoy the peace. Since when you people caring to Ugandans? Common people are dying. People have the injustice going on in Uganda, but you are there in big offices with big budgets of money, with big salaries, with big allowances, luxury life, eating, enjoying taxpayers' money, when our common citizens are dying on streets, when our common citizens are being killed by security persons in Uganda, when our common people, taxpayers who pays you to stay in those offices, are being tortured, kidnapped, children don't have fathers, wives don't have husbands, everything is going on in Uganda. It's because of you. Now you are here talking, standing up, good English, speaking as if you make any sense, but you don't even make any sense. You are just talking as if you are in a talk show. As if you are in a talk show. Ugandans are dying and you are there. You cannot even do anything. You were in parliament discussing the same issues, and the same issues was happening in Kawempe. What have you done, you people? What have you done on lives of Ugandans? And Muhoozi, Minister Muhoozi, Minister of Security, State Minister of Security. Oh, we have seen that journalist. Oh, we are going to compensate. Oh, we are going to pay hospital bills. Muhoozi, thank you so much. Thank you much to pay the hospital bills. So you mean you are going to kill Ugandans and pay them? You are going to torture Ugandans, to wound Ugandans and pay their bills? You are going to kill the children of the people, and you pay their bodies, you pay their dead bodies? You mean the government is ready to kill us and pay us? Is that really a joke? Minister Muhoozi, so you mean you are going to kill people, you are going to torture Ugandans and then pay them? Is our lives now are priceless? Is our life now they have price on our lives? Is this really a joke? Oh, I have seen Bagala. Oh, journalists are being killed. Oh, what? Everyone now today have talked. Is it because we are in a campaign season? So you want to say, Ugandans, that you care so much? You are the same people who are making terrible laws which are squeezing Ugandans. You are the same people who are making the injustice laws on Ugandans because you have money, because you are in power, because you have big offices with big salaries, with big allowances. Your children are comfortable, are being guarded with our taxpayers' money, and the common people are dying. And you are in parliament seeking with your big stomachs, enjoying luxury life. You are just discussing about our lives as if you are discussing something which is not even important. As if you are just asking about a business. As if you are just, I have seen Minister of Defense, Muhoozi. I was really so disappointed. He's just talking as if he don't even care, as if everything is normal, as if nothing is going on, and the people are being kidnapped each and every day. And you are the same people who are going to give the authority to those people who are kidnapping Ugandans. The authority to charge civilians in a court martial. You were in Entebbe, eating, drinking. You have changed the constitution every time you want. Any law which defeats you, that you break it immediately. When the law is defending you, you use it to torture Ugandans. When the law catch you, then you break it. And now when the court martial cancelled that, when the high court cancelled that court martial, and now you want to give Museveni the authority on the lives of citizens, on the lives of common people, just because you are greedy, corrupt. You are really so disappointment. You are a disappointment to Ugandans. We are so disappointed in you. You are just living in a life, luxury life. You don't even care about the society, but the society are dying. When the society stand up and start defending themselves, they are going to begin on you people in Parliament of Uganda. Parliament of Uganda, you have become the standing block